giving you the chance to change your life.
What are we gonna do?
Change the world.
I'm the light in the dark that saved your life. I'm the light in the dark that makes your passage right. Everything that you do consists of this. Keep it loyal, keep it true, keep it low on sin. It's simple, flawless. If you got the heart quick, loyalty is a must. Little vato, do you got it? Put your hands out and let me show you the way. Follow me, and my righteous ways. It was 0103 of 81. The day I was born to be my mother's son. I was new to the world in my heaven's hands, and I knew back then I'd be a simple man with a simple plan and the legend I am. With God by my side, I shall fear no man. With the flesh of my flesh and the blood of my blood, I'm truly blessed to be one of God's sons. Just take a listen and hear me closely. Get ready for the hand that's approaching. Stay blessed, show some love, best to get right with the Lord, and remember this is your life. Just take a listen and hear me closely. Get ready for the hand that's approaching. Stay blessed, show some love, best to get right with the Lord, and remember this is your life. Hey homie, did I mention the world is gonna end? It says in Revelations, I read it once again, and all will be forgotten with terror in your eyes, and bodies will be rotting. It's a worldwide genocide. Which side will you choose? The evil or the righteous? Devil or with Jesus? It's hell or paradise, man. Put your hands together and together we pray. Lord, protect us from our demons ahead. When the skies open